Okay, hey guys, this is Dr. Nelson from Trinity Orthodontics. So I've been getting comments from people that they think this is really cheesy, my little sign here, but I'm gonna get more sophisticated as time goes by. So stay tuned for the transition of me becoming tech savvy. So in the meantime, let's talk about some important things that I hope you guys are gonna find really helpful in regards to orthodontic insurance and paying for orthodontic treatment. That's probably the number one most stressful thing I think that people go through when they're deciding about getting orthodontic treatment. So we already talked in previous videos about the importance of not forgetting about money that you have set aside in your FSA, because it's coming around to the end of the year. So you don't want to all of a sudden in December go like, oh wow, I've got to use my FSA money, because time is of the essence. And at the end of the year, the procrastinators club comes out and the doctor's offices are usually pretty slammed. So a lot of times you're not able to get in and use that. So I'm just kind of giving you the heads up now. Don't wait until the last minute for your FSA. But more what I wanted to discuss today is orthodontic insurance, because there's a lot of people who just do not understand orthodontic insurance. I have multiple people in my office, and that's all they do is deal with orthodontic insurance, really for your benefit. Your orthodontic insurance is a contract that you actually have with your orthodontic insurance carrier. We really don't have anything to do with that relationship. In my office, as part of our courtesy treatment that we do for you, is we help you get your insurance benefit. So if quite honestly, I think if we weren't doing that, you'd struggle to get it, because we struggle to get it. So I'm going to go over like 4 of the main things that have to do with orthodontic insurance. So I wrote them down here so I wouldn't forget what they are, because I get in front of the camera, I get a little nervous, because those of you who know me know how introverted I am. But so this is one of the biggest surprises that people have when they're getting orthodontic insurance, that many times when you sign up for orthodontic insurance, you have to wait an entire year and pay those premiums for a year before you can actually utilize the benefit. Okay, so if you want to get orthodontic treatment and use your insurance, and you just want to go sign up for it tomorrow, and then the next day after that get braces or Invisalign, you might be in for a big surprise. You might have to wait until this time next year to actually use your benefit. So check into that. The other thing a lot of people do is like, well, I'm going to get orthodontic insurance. I'm going to go get my braces, and then I'm going to cancel the insurance so I don't have to keep paying their premiums. Well, insurance companies have gotten wise to that ploy, and so they slowly pay the doctor over about 2 years. So they'll give us some money, maybe a couple $100 to start with, and then they sometimes will pay us once a quarter. Sometimes they'll pay us once a year. And this is the weird thing, they won't even tell us how they're going to pay us. It's a big surprise. And I don't get that. I can't explain that whole thing, but that's the way it works. But the one thing I do know is that the minute you cancel your insurance and you stop paying your premiums, they stop paying the doctor. And so then you're going to be responsible for paying that amount of money that was figured into your original quote. So do not cancel your orthodontic insurance until it has paid its full benefit to you. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay that. A lot of people are confused because they have dental insurance, and usually orthodontic coverage is an extra rider. So if you have dental insurance and you think that you have orthodontic coverage, you need to really double check and make sure it's like, do I have orthodontic coverage as well as my dental coverage? You don't want to find out a horrible surprise that you have dental coverage, but you don't have it specifically for orthodontics. So, and then the other thing is orthodontic coverage is age-based. So as an adult, if you don't have specific coverage as an adult, then your kids might be covered, but you as an adult, if you wanted to get treatment, you wouldn't be. Or if you have older kids, there's limits on what age, and I think it's 23, maybe, I've heard maybe it's raised to 25. But if they don't fit within their age criteria of your very specific policy, then they're not going to be covered. So if you want help with any of that kind of stuff, I would say, by the way, we have experts at our office. So if you want to give them a call, give them their information that they need about your insurance, they can help you understand what is covered and what isn't covered. And if you want to come in and see us for a consult, remember our consultations are free of charge. So we can let you know what is needed to get you all straightened out, how much it would cost, how long it would take, all that kind of stuff. And of course, figure out what's going on with your orthodontic insurance. So here's our contact info. So give us a call, come in and see us, and we'll be happy to help you out. So have a great day. Bye.